Let's take a look at this coordinate plane question. Each coordinate point consists of an x, y. The first number, x, tells you how far to move left or right. The second number, y, tells you how far to move up or down. Part A. We need to place our point at -3, -3. Start at the origin, 0, 0. That's the center where the two lines cross. We start by moving the x value left or right. The first number is -3. Since it's negative, we are going to move 3 units to the left. Next, we move the y value up or down. The second number is also -3. Since it's negative, we are going to move 3 units down. This is point -3, -3. It is in the third quadrant. Part B. Now we have 4 different points to drag and drop. Point I, 2, 3. We always start from the origin, 0, 0. Start with the x value, 2. Move 2 units to the right since it is positive. Our y value is 3, so we move 3 units up since it is positive 2. Point K, 2, -1. Start from the origin, 0, 0. Our x value is 2, so move 2 units to the right since it is positive. Our y value is -1, so move 1 unit down since it is negative. Point O, -1, -3. Start from the origin, 0, 0. Our x value is -1, so move 1 unit to the left since it is negative. Our y value is -3, so move 3 units down since it is negative. Point M, -3, 1. Start from the origin, 0, 0. Our x value is -3, so move 3 units to the left since it is negative. Our y value is 1, so move 1 unit up since it is positive. Let's look at this coordinate plane question together. The question asks to find which point could represent the coordinates 5, 4. The first number, 5, is the x-coordinate. It tells us how far to move right from 0. The second number, 4, is the y-coordinate. It tells us how far to move up from 0. Before we move, look at the numbers on the lines. They go 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. This means each big grid square represents 3 units. If a point is between 3 and 6, it's likely a 4 or a 5. To solve this, we need an x of 5. On the bottom line, 5 is between 3 and 6. Next we need y of 4. On the side line, 4 is between 3 and 6. Now follow those 2 imaginary lines until they meet at point A. Let's look at this question. We are dealing with coordinate planes, and we are asked to recognize points located on the coordinate axis. Whenever you see a point, x, y, the first number tells you how far to move left or right, x-axis, and the second tells you how far to move up or down, y-axis. Part A. To find point R, 0, 3, start from the origin, 0, 0. The x-coordinate is 0. This means we don't move left or right at all, we stay right in the center, the origin. The y-coordinate is 3. Since it's positive, we move 3 units up. Therefore, point R is sitting directly on the vertical line, the y-axis. Remember, if x is 0, the point is always on the y-axis. Part B. To find point S, 1, 0, start from the origin, 0, 0. The x-coordinate is 1. This means we move 1 unit to the right since it is positive. The y-coordinate is 0. This means we don't move up or down at all. Therefore, point S stays flat on the horizontal line, the x-axis. Always remember, if you have the coordinate 0 number, this is on the vertical line, y-axis. If you have the coordinate number 0, this is on the horizontal line, x-axis. Let's look at this coordinate plane. To find any point, we always start from the origin, 0, 0. Next we look at the x-axis to move left or right from the center. Then we look at the y-axis to move up or down. Part A. We need to pick the 3 options that correctly describe the points on the graph. Let's check them one by one. Let's check if point T is on 2, -2. Start from the origin. Move 2 units to the right, since the x-coordinate is positive. Then move 2 units down, since the y-coordinate is negative. This lands right on T, so the given coordinates is correct. Let's check if point S is on 3, 0. Start from the origin. Move 3 units to the right, since the x-coordinate is positive. Since our y-coordinate is 0, so we are going to stay at 3, 0. Wait! This is incorrect as point S is at 0, 3. Let's check if point N is on 3, 2. Start from the origin. Move 3 units to the right, since the x-coordinate is positive. Then move 2 units up, since the y-coordinate is positive. This lands right on N, so the given coordinates is correct. Let's check if point R is on -1, 3. Start from the origin. Move 1 unit to the left, since the x-coordinate is negative. Then move 3 units up, since the y-coordinate is positive. This is incorrect as point R is at 3, -1. Let's check if point J is on -2, -3. Start from the origin. Move 2 units to the left, since the x-coordinate is negative. Then move 3 units down, since the y-coordinate is negative. This lands right on J, so the given coordinates is correct. Let's check if point X is on 1, -2. Start from the origin. Move 1 unit to the right, since the x-coordinate is positive. Then move 2 units down, since the y-coordinate is negative. This is incorrect as point X is at -2, 1. Part B. Now let's look at point B. Start at the origin 0, 0. Move 1 unit to the right, this gives our x value, 1. Next, move 3 units down, this gives our y value, -3. So point B is at 1, -3.